Hey guys, this is Joseph Hedden. Just wanted to make an update video. I'm getting kind of a cold. Kids are getting colds. It's not good. This is my Samsung soundbar. I've had this thing for like 5 years now, and still functions just like fine. It's got a Bluetooth subwoofer that you can plug anywhere in the house, and it'll just do what it does. I'll let you listen to some music. It's Bluetooth. You can plug auxiliary cords into it. You can plug whatever you want into it, basically. It's got 6 different ways, basically, you can plug stuff into it. Right now I got the sub cut off because it makes too much noise. Let's just cut that up. I know it's true. Too easy to lie. Oh, some rain. It's got a whole bunch of different sound modes too. That's sports, game, all, music. Just a good sound bar. It's loud enough to fill a medium-sized room. I had a buddy a couple years back. He used it actually outside on game night. Had this little Titantron basically on the side of his house. Worked out like that. But you can see it works. I mean, it's great, guys. If you have the money to buy one, this is the one I would buy. I mean, they don't make these, but they make ones that look like this. I guess people touch the speaker caps and they'd always mess it up, so that's why they have these little grills on them now. This is the one I like because it was just right, and I mean, you can see it works good, and that's probably only halfway up. Let's go ahead and take it up. Caught the last little bit of that. It was kind of loud. Anyways, guys, this update video. I don't want to keep y'all too long because y'all won't watch them. Later, guys.